All right, sick. Sick. All right, I'm recording this, so I'll have it on my side too. For those that are like, what the heck is he doing? I loaded up Portable Third, and I'm playing Rise, and I'm gonna go into the maps that were brought back, which is Flooded Forest and Sandy Plains, and I'm gonna compare them side by side. I'm gonna go to each area and see what they look like in the old world and the new world. I don't know if this is new world or old world, but whatever. See the comparison side by side. I guess, yeah, I'll do daytime because it's daytime on Portable Third. I don't know if you could change, you can't change that in older games, so. So there's that. Just gonna have the Rise music going. Oh, it's taking the camera. Hey, this is like really cool. All right, let's see. Oh, so there's Old World Flooded Forest right there. There's the intro. Oh, there it is. Dude, that's so cool. That's so fucking cool. It's like the same fucking view. Oh my God. That's so cool. That's so cool, man. Oh, the camera's a little slower. Oh, because it's old style camera. So the up and down is like a click. It's not a, oh my God, that's so cool. Yeah, and there's no slow walk. That's so sick. Flooded Forest. Oh, yeah. I'm controlling them at the same time. So, and the camera movement speed is not the same. So it's a little tough to get the cameras to like sync up. What I can do is click out and get this to sync up. It's so cool. Okay. So I'm gonna go into the next area, but it's gonna be a load screen, but there's not gonna be a load screen. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, there we go. Like, that's so, and look, it's the same view. Oh my God. That is so crazy. That's so crazy. It's the same view. It's the same view. There's a slag talk. Oh, no, Bishopton, you gotta relax. No, I'm doing something right now. Oh, he might fuck this up. No, Bishopton, we're not right now. Oh, Jesus Christ. You gotta get out of here, man. Oh, shit. Well, let's change areas. Like, look at this. I'm going up, and I'm going up here. Oh, my God. Like, I'm running away in, like, the same area. Like, is this the river spot? The river spot. It's so sick. All right, so let me get to the river spot. Bishopton kind of threw that off. Where is that at in the map? It's here. I just don't remember where it is. Was that area? Was that area 3? Isn't that where I'm at? That here? No, that river spot is definitely. Oh, I think it's up here. Nope, it's not. I forget where it is. So you go up and then you go left. It should be. Yeah, there's like other areas in between the old ones. Roggy, relax.
That looks like it's gonna hurt.
Is the zone just straight up bigger now? Yeah, it is. No, that same zone is here though. Like I remember seeing the stream in the middle with the tree to the waterfall. I think it's slightly moved though. I think it's like up here now. Pull up the map. I think it's like more north now. Yeah, I think it's straight ahead. No, it's not. It's area 1. No, area 1 is the first area. So right here. Leave me alone, Roggy. It's 11. Yeah, I think it's 11 as well. Leave me alone, Rocky. All right, so let's go to 11. Ah, here it is. Yeah. Here we go. So, yeah, there it is. Look at that. It's 11 now. I should have grabbed the map. Oh my God. So this is so cool. This is so cool. Like I can see down there now. Oh my, even the look at the waterfall falling. The waterfall falling. Oh, there it is. Even the waterfall part is the same. Oh my God. That's so cool. Oh, I know what I can do. So this has like a sensitivity thing on the That's so cool, man. So I want to go to the edge, but I know what I can do. I can do this. So this is like, I'm looking down at that now. Like, that's what I'm looking at. It's the, like, it's insane. That's so crazy. That's so crazy. This is absolutely incredible. Uh-oh, I fell. The game might not like portable third. Actually, here I could do this. I could just click out. What? I clicked out. Okay. Portable third won't like all these wire bug commands. It's gonna be like, what the hell are you doing? Well, actually, no, I don't even need to do that. Look, I'm gonna jump down here. I'm gonna jump down here. Pause this map, switch over. So I jump down and I'm there. It's the same area. Oh my God. This is incredible. This is incredible. This is absolutely incredible. Oh my God. Even the Ludroth are here. Ah! Oh my God. God, this is so cool. And this is the cave. So where's the cave connection here? Oh, it's right there. I gotta like sync up. Like, leave me alone, Ludra. So this is the cave entrance there. Importable third. Switch back, get to the cave here. The mining spot. Oh yeah, the mining spot is in the same place. All right, I'm just gonna kill these Lugo. They're really getting annoying. They're probably gonna kill my portable third hunter. Okay. Yeah, look at me. I'm stunned. Leave me alone. I'm double hunting here. Look at this. True hunting. Okay. Are the Ludroth gone? I think they are. Okay. So here, oh, here it is. We're synced up too. Look, that's the loading area. They went into the cave. Dude, it's this. This is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. The pillars. Dude, these Ludroth will not leave me alone. This is so cool. I think I'll just do flooded forest today, and then I'll do sandy plains tomorrow. So it's a separate video, or I'll just like I'll stop this recording and make another one. This is so cool. I'm fighting in both. There we go. This is so cool. This is amazing. You know what area we're gonna have to go to? We're gonna have to go to the pyramid. Wait, I gotta climb up. I think they even had mushrooms in the same spot. Oh yeah, that's where I just went. Right there. So let me do that. Yeah, this is where I just climbed up. So I have to like that sound is me. I could probably just do it that way. That's probably better. Whoops. Get out of the map. There we go. So I'm up top. That goes one way. Is there the mining point up here? There should be like a mining point. Right? Or is it just the mushrooms? It's so cool. Oh, this is a new thing. Oh! Yeah, this is a new thing. They put a little gather point here. Oh, and a relic. Nice. Yeah, this is a new little secret they added in this cave. Oh, there's the mushrooms. They're right there. It's so sick. It's the same place. Like, how did they do this? Oh my God. Insane. It's so crazy. There it is. That's the mushroom. There's even Alteroth running around up here. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's go up. Oh. So this is gonna hit a load zone. Let me hit that load zone here. Oh, and this is that part that links Oh, so I don't think that shortcut. So there was a swim shortcut in Try and 3U that you could take from camp that would put you about here, I think, or it would put you into the water area. Oh, leave me alone. Is that him again? Leave me alone, dude. Oh, but look at the path. It's the same path. Right there. Leave me alone, Bishop 10. I'm doing science here, dude. So he's not gonna leave me alone, and it's messing up my camera. So right here, this path. And this is the stream. Yes, it takes you to the stream. Right? This takes you to the stream path. Yeah. Oh my God. Look, how did they do this? How did they do this? And that's where I'm at now. Right here.
It's popping. Oh.
What's up, Nero? I'm actually gonna mute audio sounds right now. What are we looking at? So this is flooded forest in the old world and flooded forest in the new game now. This Bishopton needs to leave me alone, dude. I wish I could go to this map without any monsters in it. He will not leave me alone. It's so crazy, man. It's so crazy. Oh my God. So if I go down this way, so I think this part is a little bit different. So I'm gonna go here. So I think a lot of this is all different. If we do a gathering quest, there's no monsters. Oh, okay. All right, I'll do that for Sandy Plains then. So I'm very hungry. So this is not. There we go. This transform. Click the screen. There we go. Okay. Hello, mouse. Jesus. There we go. So let me pause this. So I went down. I went over to this area. Right? That was the well, technically I don't know if I went to that one or if I went to this one. It looked like I went to this one. So I'm gonna go this way. And this is like, yeah, this is a part where they kind of added stuff to kind of make up, to add in between. Because right now in Portable Third, I'm in Camp 1, right? But there's all this stuff in between Camp 1 and 11. Like, all that's new. Like, this whole 8 and 9 is, like, new. And that stream in between and stuff. So, basically, I went from 11 to 1 just now in the game. Which is just really cool. So that was the cave. That was up there. Let's see. Let's go to the pyramid area. So I'm gonna I'm gonna go back to camp and then go to area 1. Hopefully that Rage leaves. And then we're gonna go over to the pyramid area because that part is also crazy. Saw you knocked out. Yeah. Yeah, you were conked out. That was me too, though. I was out for like a couple hours. All right. So this is area 2, maybe? Yo! Assassination, thank you. Thank you for the raid. Thank you. Yeah, with the cat, with Celine. This is so cool. Yeah. All right, so I'm here. These bonobos are probably gonna paralyze me. Let me go back over here. Yeah, they're gonna paralyze me. Oh my God, they're bullying me. They're bullying me. They're bullying me. So this was area 1, right? And then this is basically a load zone where I'm at right now. And then this is kind of a new area, but not really. This like leads that way. Then this right here. This right here. Hold on. So for the folks coming over, I'm comparing the old world to the new world right now, live. I can go, so that'll go here, right? And then that was kind of that previous area. Yeah, that's what that is. That's what this is. Right here is basically, did they put the lily pads? I don't think they did the lily pads. So this area might be somewhere else in flooded forest here. It might be like kind of translated to a different area. Because the lily pads here, this is like iconic with the big tree over it. That might be somewhere else here. That looks so good. Alrighty, Nathan, thank you. Thank you. So yeah, this is the pyramid. And then this is over this way. Leave me alone, blue growth. Now I'm like all disoriented. Oh, it's okay. It's over this way. Yeah, there it is. Wait. Look at that. Oh my God. So there's the pyramid there. That is insane. That's so crazy. Oh God. That's so fucking cool. That's so cool. That is so cool. And then what's crazy is I go to the pyramid and then I'm just gonna start walking up it. Dude, it even has a broken rocks in front of it. It's like, oh, that's invisible wall. Not for me. Now I'm going up the pyramid. Oh my God. That is insane. That is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Yeah, as I go past the invisible barrier, the future is now, old man. That's so cool, man. That's so cool. So cool. So cool. I think that's like kind of most of the highlights. Right. There's the first couple areas. Again, there's that shortcut, but that shortcut doesn't exist in Portable Third because they kind of translated the shortcut from Camp 1 to 13 without swimming. And there's no swimming in Portable Third, so that shortcut was gone. That's so cool. So cool. We can go in the pyramid. That's like the side area. That's all water. So cool. So cool. Yeah, the pyramid is just like... Yeah, the pyramid is the thing that like is the really crazy part where it's like, holy crap, it's really the same place. So cool. Incredible. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. Oh my God. Rise is amazing. Monster Hunter Rise is amazing. Absolutely amazing.